Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Axon 11 5G, and I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off watermark at your camera. So at the first open camera, click on the left upper corner, and here we got two options. Here we got the watermark from the ZTE and also the date and the time. So we can just turn them off with the switchers, and after that, when you take a photo, the watermark of the ZTE mark and the date will be not appears on our screen. So right now, when you take a photo and enter for the gallery, you'll see right here two watermarks, and when we go back to the settings and just turn it off, and right now after taking the photo we'll be free of these watermarks. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.